Here I have the Home Fitness Adjustable Dumbbells with the twist lock mechanism in the handle. I got these today, Friday, May 22nd, and I ordered them Monday, so 5 days ago. I got these dumbbells through their email lottery system that they're doing these days, and I guess they're doing it to prevent their site from crashing once they get them in stock and everybody wants to order them. I have entered several of their lotteries, but never got picked, obviously. So I was quite surprised to get an email Monday saying that if I wanted a pair, I could buy them. I do still have the Bowflex dumbbells that I borrowed from a buddy of mine. However, the PowerBlock Pros that I've had for about 4 months are gone. I ended up selling them and made some money, which basically made the Core Home Fitness free. So that was nice, especially these days. Anyways, the dumbbells here were $350 shipped. So if you're still looking for adjustable dumbbells, I would definitely check out their website for new lotteries coming up. And the website is the corehomefitness.com. These dumbbells goes from 5 to 50 pounds using only 5-pound increments. Basically, the handle itself is 5 pounds and you just add plates by twisting the handle. And I'm totally fine with the 5-pound increments. I don't need the 2.5-pound differences like the Bowflex offers. Although it would be nice to have them go to like 70 pounds instead of just a 50. But I can always get regular dumbbells down the road, maybe just a pair of 60s and 70s, since I don't really lift more than that. Alright, so here they are unpacked. Very easy, didn't take very long at all. Easy to set up, they were packaged really well. And let's see here. So we got 25. So we got the handle, 5, 10, 15. I mean, very cool. Good grip. I like that there's a little extra room right here. Like the PowerBlocks will go straight up and, to me at least, hit right here. So this is a big plus. I like that a lot. We got 30, 40, and 50, which will get stuck in the cradle. Another good reason why you probably want to stand for these so you don't have to do that all the time. But my first impression is definitely very easy to change. Sits solid here, real solid. So I can't wait to try these. And I'll do a workout with them tomorrow and let you guys know what I think. But first impression is that I like them a lot. But, you know, that could change tomorrow. We'll see. So after having used them for a workout, I definitely still like them. Changing the weights is definitely the biggest plus. Super easy. One negative is that the plates are a little bit loose, like most adjustable dumbbells are, especially this 2.5-pounder. I would say that Bowflex probably has the loosest plates on there, then these ones, and then the PowerBlock that I had were the best. Still a little bit loose, but not as much as these ones or the Bowflex. Also cool that once you have them out of the cradle, cannot turn this handle anymore. It's locked in. Alright, so the only other thing I need is a stand for these dumbbells. Definitely keeping them. I'll probably get the stand that comes with them at some point, or I'll make my own, not sure yet, but definitely want a stand for them. So they're good for the price. You know, I paid $350 for them, but you know, when they're in stock at other retailers, Walmart has them for less than $300, Dick's Sporting Goods for about $300, and I feel that's a very good deal. So anyways, thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.